Hello everyone, welcome to the crash course, and today we are going to talk about small savings schemes which are going to be very important for the upcoming RBI Grade B examination. The small savings schemes compounding frequency as well as the rates have been revised recently. We will be talking about both the rates as well as compounding frequencies, and we'll also be talking about two specific accounts, that is Kisan Vikas Patra and Sukanya Samriddhi account. So the rate of interest on small savings schemes, the numbers here are not very important. Compounding is important. This can be asked in the examination. 1 year time deposit, it's annually. Saving deposit, sorry, annually. 1 year time deposit, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year. All these time and recurring deposits have quarterly compounding. 5 year senior citizen savings scheme, quarterly and paid. 5 year monthly income, monthly and paid. 5 year national savings certificate, annually, important. PPF is also annual. Now we will be discussing both these accounts because they are very important from examination point of view also. Kisan Vikas Patra, wherein the compounding is annually, as well as Sukanya Samriddhi account scheme, compounding is annually. The Kisan Vikas Patra matures in 118 months, that is, it doubles in 115 months, and after that, after 3 months of that, you get the entire amount in one go. So let's discuss briefly about Kisan Vikas Patra first, and then we'll go and discuss about Sukanya Samriddhi account. This particular Patra or account was launched in the year 1988 by India Post. So even now you can go and invest in Kisan Vikas Patra through postal branches that we have of India Post in the entire country. Or Shamala Gopinath Committee was created because of some irregularities in Kisan Vikas Patra, and it recommended that Kisan Vikas Patra should be closed, and therefore after its recommendation it was closed in the year 2001. It was relaunched by the present Modi government in the year 2014. The minimum investment per year is rupees 1000, and the maximum investment, there is no limit. Maximum investment is up to infinity. As I said, it is doubled in 115 months, and then you can withdraw it after 118 months, that is 9 years 10 months. This is the entire time period. The lock-in period is 2 years 6 months. After 2 years or 2.5 years, you can withdraw money from Kisan Vikas Patra. Let's now talk about very briefly Sukanya Samriddhi account. Sukanya Samriddhi accounts. One more thing about Kisan Vikas Patra: there is no tax exemption in Kisan Vikas Patra at any stage. When you're depositing money, whether you're getting interest, and when you're withdrawing the entire amount at any stage, there is no tax exemption. Let's come to Sukanya Samriddhi account now. The purpose is to encourage parents of girl children to save money for the education as well as marriage expenses of the girl child. It was launched in the year 2015, and it can be opened when the girl child is born. So on the birth of girl child up to 10 years of age. It cannot be opened after she has crossed 10 years of age. There can only be one account per child, and one family can have only 2 accounts. The maximum deposit limit per year is 1,50,000, whereas in Kisan Vikas Patra there is no limit. The minimum deposit is to be rupees 1000 per year. 50% is allowed to be withdrawn if the girl is going for higher education after attaining 18 years of age. The maturity of account is in 21 years. So as soon as the girl turns 21, the account matures, and then there cannot not be any further deposits in the account, and whatever money has been earned, whatever deposits and interest has been earned, is paid back to the girl. The deposits, this is interesting, the deposits can be made only for 15 years. So let's say that an account is opened as soon as the girl is born. So for the next 15 years only, up to the time period when she turns 15, deposits can be made. Let's say an account is opened at the age of 3 of the girl child, Then up to the age of 18 years of age, the account can be active. The account deposits can be made in the account of maximum of 1,50,000 per year. If the girl is 18 and she has got married, then normal closure is allowed. Otherwise, normal closure is when she turns 21. The tax exemption is different from Kisan Vikas Patra at the time of deposit, at the time of receipt of interest, as well as at the time of withdrawal of the entire amount. Everything, all amounts of money is tax exempt. You don't have to pay any tax. The girl child does not have to pay any tax on anything. So it is normally termed as EEE type of an account, wherein it is exempt in all the three stages. If you like this lecture, please subscribe to my YouTube channel now. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section below, and I will be very happy to implement those feedbacks if possible. You can also join my YouTube community wherein I post regular quizzes on a daily basis, and you can take advantage of those quizzes. You can solve those quizzes. They will help you in both phase 1 as well as phase 2. You can also join my Facebook and Telegram groups, the links to which are available in the description section below. Daily quizzes as well as PDFs are provided on these groups. You can also join my mobile app, which is called as or termed as Infinity. It is available on Google Play Store. There you will find the entire repository of all the quizzes as well as all the PDFs that I have provided for free to the students preparing for RBI Grade B examination 2018.